Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1968 Torino GT. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. You have the brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. You have the aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper oil pan for the 68 Torino front sump oil pan Moroso. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. You have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA in red. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice black ridge valve covers with a matching air cleaner with the 427 badges. MSD distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley sniper fuel injection systems on there. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, the Holley sniper fuel injection, menu screen, all the settings will be preset for you, all dialed in, plug and play, ready to go. You have the manifold vacuum fitting hookups in the back here for easy vacuum hookups if needed. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. Russell fuel lines going up to the Holley sniper fuel injection. Chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice. Wraptor pulley kit on here. 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump. You have the correct lower hose on the passenger side for the 68 Torino. Proper thermostat housing and thermostat installed. Coolant bypass hoses hooked up. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator right here. We have the power steering pump on there. This will get the remote reservoir on there for the 68 Torino. We supply the power steering lines. All the fittings, universal fittings will be in the bag with the power steering lines and the remote reservoir for the customer. So again, here you have it. 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine for our customer's 1968 Ford Torino GT. Thanks for watching.